Welcome to English Practice Beginners, the place where your English journey truly begins, the place where fear becomes confidence, where silence becomes speaking, and where your future grows step by step through daily practice. Because learning English is not about being perfect, it is about being brave enough to start. And today you are starting something powerful for your life, your career, and your confidence. Now close your eyes for one moment and imagine this. Tomorrow you wake up and you can speak English slowly, clearly, and without fear. You walk outside and you understand people. You answer with calm confidence. You feel proud of yourself. And for the first time, English feels easy, not scary, not stressful, just natural. This is not a dream. This is your new routine. This is your daily English habit. This is where change begins. Sit comfortably. Relax your shoulders. Take a slow breath. You are safe here. You are learning, you are growing, and today your English speaking journey truly starts. Learning English at A1 level is about building comfort, not speed. It is about training your brain to listen calmly, speak slowly, and think clearly. Many beginners feel nervous when they hear English. Their heart beats fast, their mind feels empty, their mouth feels closed. But this happens only because English feels new, and anything new feels difficult at first. When you practice daily, English becomes familiar. When English becomes familiar, fear disappears. And when fear disappears, confidence grows. That is why today we start with slow English, simple sentences, and real-life situations that you can use every day. Imagine your morning. You wake up slowly. You open your eyes. You take a deep breath. You feel calm. You sit on your bed. You stretch your arms. You say to yourself, "Today is a good day." You stand up. You walk to the bathroom. You wash your face. You brush your teeth. You look in the mirror and smile. You say, "I am learning English. I am improving every day." You drink a glass of water. You feel fresh. You choose your clothes. You get dressed. You are ready for the day. In your mind you say simple English sentences. You train your brain gently. You do not rush. You do not push. You go slowly. This is how fluency begins. Now imagine you step outside. You feel the fresh air. You hear birds. You see people walking. You walk calmly. You look around. You say, "Good morning." You smile. You feel proud. You go to the bus stop. You wait. You stay relaxed. You get on the bus. You say, "Hello." You find a seat. You sit comfortably. You look outside the window. You watch the city move. You listen to people talking. You do not understand every word, but you understand enough. And that is enough. You tell yourself, "I am learning, I am listening, I am improving." You feel strong. Now, imagine your workplace or classroom. You enter calmly. You greet people. You say, "Good morning." You sit at your desk. You organize your things. You open your notebook. You listen to instructions. You do not panic. You focus. You understand what you can. You ask simple questions. You say, "Can you repeat, please?" You say, "Thank you." You smile. You feel proud because you are using English. You are not silent anymore. You are speaking slowly, clearly, and confidently. At lunchtime, you walk to the cafeteria. You look at the menu. You choose your food. You say, "Can I have a sandwich, please?" You say, "Thank you very much." You sit at a table. You eat slowly. You enjoy your meal. You talk with people. You say, "How is your day?" You listen. You reply simply. You do not need long sentences. Simple English is powerful. Simple English is real English. In the afternoon, you return to your work or study. You feel calm, you feel focused, you complete small tasks. You say in your mind, I am writing, I am reading, I am learning. You take a short break, you drink water, you relax your mind, you continue your work with patience. You do not rush, you trust the process. In the evening, you walk home slowly. You see the sky, you see the sunset, you hear cars, you see people going home. You feel peaceful. You reach your door, you unlock it, you enter your home, you take off your shoes, you wash your hands, you change your clothes, you prepare your dinner, you cut vegetables, you boil water, you cook your food, you enjoy the smell, you eat calmly, you feel grateful. After dinner, you relax, you sit comfortably, you think about your day. You say, today I spoke English, today I listened, today I learned. You feel proud. You open your notebook. You write simple sentences. You write about your day. You write about your feelings. You write about your goals. You are building your future one sentence at a time. At night, you prepare for sleep. You set your alarm. You clean your space. You lie on your bed. You close your eyes. You take a deep breath. You tell yourself, I am improving every day. I am becoming confident. I am becoming strong. Your mind relaxes. Your brain stores what you learned. Your English grows while you sleep. This is how daily English practice works. Not fast, not stressful, just slow, calm, and steady. Fluency is not magic. It is habit. It is repetition. It is patience. Every day you listen. Every day you speak. Every day you grow. One day you will look back and realize how far you have come. English will feel normal. Conversations will feel easy. Your confidence will be natural. Remember, mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are proof that you are trying, and trying is the only way to succeed. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. If today you understand more than yesterday, you are winning. If today you speak more than yesterday, you are winning. If today you feel less fear than yesterday, you are winning. English is not a subject. English is a tool. It helps you connect with people. It helps you grow your career. It helps you explore the world. And today, you are taking the first real step. Stay with this practice. Repeat daily. Speak slowly. Listen calmly. Trust yourself. Your English journey has started, and your future is getting brighter with every sentence you speak. As your daily English routine continues, something inside you slowly starts to change. At first, English felt like noise. Words sounded fast. Sentences felt heavy. But now your ears are becoming trained. Your brain is learning patterns. Your mind is becoming comfortable with the rhythm of the language. You no longer freeze when someone speaks to you. You listen calmly. You catch important words. You understand the meaning even if you miss a few details. And most importantly, you stay relaxed. This calmness is the real beginning of fluency. Imagine one morning you walk into a small shop. The shopkeeper looks at you and says something quickly. Earlier your heart would beat fast. Your mouth would stay closed. But today you smile and say, "Hello." You listen again. You understand enough. You reply slowly, "I am looking for bread." The shopkeeper nods. The conversation continues. You feel proud. You feel strong. You realize something powerful. English is no longer controlling you. You are using English. Now imagine you are standing in a queue. Someone behind you asks, "Is this the line?" You turn and say, "Yes, this is the line." Simple sentence, clear words, real communication. This is fluency, not big grammar, not difficult vocabulary, just calm, clear speaking. As days pass, your brain starts thinking in English without effort. When you walk, you describe your surroundings in your mind. You say, "The road is busy, the weather is cool, people are walking fast." When you cook, you say, "I cut vegetables, I heat the pan, I cook dinner." When you clean, you say, "I wash dishes, I clean the table, I organize my room." This silent practice is training your brain every minute of the day. You start noticing that English no longer feels foreign. It starts feeling familiar. Your tongue moves more easily. Your mind reacts faster. You no longer translate every word. You understand directly. This is how language becomes natural. One day at work or school, someone asks you a question. You pause for a second, you think, then you answer. Your sentence is not perfect, but it is clear. The other person understands you. They smile, they reply. The conversation flows. In that moment, you realize something important. Communication is about connection, not perfection. You stop being afraid of mistakes. You understand that mistakes are teachers. Every mistake shows you where to improve. Every correction makes you better. You become curious instead of nervous. You listen more. You observe more. You learn faster. You also notice that your listening skill is growing before you're speaking. This is natural. First your ears learn, then your mouth follows. You start understanding movies, videos, and conversations better. You catch common phrases. You recognize repeated expressions. Your brain stores them, and slowly they start coming out of your mouth naturally. You also become more confident socially. You start small conversations. You greet neighbors. You talk to co-workers. You ask simple questions. You respond with ease. You feel included. You feel connected. English is no longer a wall between you and the world. At home, your English habit becomes part of your lifestyle. You watch short videos. You listen to simple podcasts. You repeat sentences. You read small stories. You write a few lines every day. You enjoy the process. Learning no longer feels like work. It feels like growth. Some days are easy. Some days feel slow. But you do not stop. You understand that progress is not always visible, but it is always happening. Your brain is building new connections. Your confidence is becoming stronger. Your fear is becoming smaller. Then one day you look back at your old self, the person who was afraid to speak, the person who avoided conversations, the person who thought English was impossible, and you smile. Because now you are different, you are braver, you are stronger, you are more confident. You realize that English did not change. You changed. Your mindset changed. Your habits changed. Your routine changed. And because of that, your future changed. Now, English is not just a subject. It is part of your life. You use it to talk. You use it to learn. You use it to grow. You use it to build your dreams. And this is only the beginning. Because when you stay consistent, when you stay patient, when you stay calm, English will keep improving every day. Your fluency will become smoother. Your pronunciation will become clearer. Your confidence will become natural. One day you will speak without thinking. One day you will listen without fear. One day you will smile and say, "I did it." And it all started with slow practice. It started with simple sentences. It started with daily habits. It started with courage. So keep going. Keep practicing. Keep believing. Your English journey is real. Your progress is real. Your future is real. And every sentence you speak is building it. Now your English journey enters a new level. You are no longer just practicing. You are living in English. Your mind no longer asks, "Can I speak?" Your mind says, "I will speak." That small shift changes everything. You walk with more confidence. You listen with more focus. You respond with more courage. English is no longer an obstacle. It is your bridge to the world. Imagine you are traveling. You reach a new place. You hear different accents, different voices, different styles of speaking. Earlier, this would confuse you, but now you stay calm. You listen carefully. You understand the situation. You ask politely, "Excuse me, can you help me?" You receive directions. You say, "Thank you very much." You move forward with confidence. You feel independent. You feel capable. Now imagine you are at a workplace or in a classroom. People are discussing ideas. They are sharing opinions. They are asking questions. You listen. You understand the topic. You think for a moment. Then you speak. Your voice is steady. Your sentence is simple. Your message is clear. People listen to you. They respect your words. You feel included. You feel equal. You feel proud. You also notice how your personality becomes more open. You smile more. You greet people first. You start conversations instead of avoiding them. You no longer hide behind silence. You step forward with confidence. English becomes your tool, not your fear. You realize something beautiful. Fluency is not about sounding like a native speaker. Fluency is about expressing yourself freely. It is about sharing your thoughts without fear. It is about connecting with people without hesitation. Now your daily routine feels different. When you wake up, you think in English. When you walk, you describe the world in English. When you work, you organize your thoughts in English. When you relax, you enjoy content in English. The language becomes part of your identity. You no longer say, "I am learning English." You say, "I speak English." You remember the early days, the confusion, the hesitation, the self-doubt, the fear of making mistakes. And now you see how far you have come. You understand that growth is not magic. It is daily effort. It is small steps. It is quiet discipline. You did not become fluent overnight. You became fluent one sentence at a time. You built confidence one conversation at a time. You built skill one habit at a time. And now you stand strong. You are no longer waiting for the perfect moment. You create your moment. You are no longer afraid of judgment. You focus on progress. You are no longer silent. You speak. English is now your companion. It walks with you. It grows with you. It opens doors for you. Your dreams feel closer. Your goals feel possible. Your future feels brighter. And deep inside, you know, this journey changed you. Not just your language, but your mindset, your confidence, your identity. So wherever you go, whoever you meet, whatever you dream, you carry your English with you. You carry your courage with you. You carry your discipline with you. You carry your power with you. And now, when someone asks you, "Do you speak English?" you smile and say, "Yes, I do." This is not the end. This is your beginning. Your voice is ready. Your mind is ready. Your future is ready. Keep speaking. Keep growing. Keep shining. You are fluent. You are confident. You are unstoppable.